the role of beauty is the sort of hidden force that we have these surprising encounters with sources of hope throughout our lives, and we're often barely attentive to the kinds of whispers of hope that actually I think in very subtle ways we're able to pick up. So I think that beauty does on a personal level contribute to that disposition of hope. And I think also, when you look at social transformations, I'm a sociologist, and so trying to look at how social structures can be transformed, beauty plays a role there as well. And I touch on in the piece things like the visions of Martin Luther King Jr. and his confidence in a beautiful ideal that can be realized, even if not perfectly, right? And so there has to be, I think, even among those who are committed to changing social structures, and I think there is hope that we can change oppressive structures. There has to be that confidence in an ideal that is beautiful, that can animate us. And so both in subtle, unconscious, and in more conscious and intentional ways, I think beauty can shape our commitment to hope.